this new unit in Battle Cards, and he is so little strong. Bonk. Hey, come here, this ghost now. And my little brother's here, of course. Blast them. You go. Don't blame me for making those weird sounds. I have to do it for my little brother. Go! Blast them! Oh my god! Go. Blast them! Yo! This is a one-time unit? Yeah, it's a one-time unit. He devoured the whole base. He devoured some extra and yeah, I got him. I got this guy. This guy right there. That guy right there. Dragon Empire, yeah! Okay. I know I'm not going to get it, but if I do get it, I am. Oh my god! Another dragon voice. I don't know why, but I am so shocked. I am so shocked. I got 2 dragons in one day. No way. Give me that, boy. Give me that. Boy. Yes. Oh no, it's a cat fighting a robot dragon, I think. And maybe the dragon is alive. The dragon is leave the cat alive. Hold up. I'll wait. Oh. What? Oh no. Okay. Oh no, my little brother will cry. You what? Okay. I am so shocked. Thank you, Battle Cat. Thank you, Battle Cat. And by the way, Casper, if you're watching this, if you don't know what Battle Cat is, yeah, this is Battle Cat. We got. Okay, how does he even attack? Is it better than the last one where? Oh my god! I will literal. Is he keeper or he's keeper? No, bro, what? What? Thank you, Battle Cat. Thank you. I am so thankful. Thank you, Battle Cat. I am so thankful for what you did. Okay? That's all. If you want me to like make a video of Battle Cats again, tell me in the comments.